Did you know that some sign languages have common signs but different meanings?
Chance, black, model, means, year, who, have, but.
Hello, my name is Mujde. I was born and raised in Turkey. I know Turkish Sign Language, ASL and LSQ.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm from Ontario. LSQ is my main sign language, but I know ASL too. I'm teaching LSQ to hearing people at ADOO. They want to learn the basics of sign language and deaf culture to communicate with deaf people.
I didn't use sign language much when I was in Turkey, because not many people knew sign language.
Hasimoglu. Not here. Okay, no.
I know that in some countries deaf people do not have the same opportunities, so now I try to spread awareness of deafness and sign language on social media. After coming to Canada, I realized that sign language was recognized here and provided access to deaf people, so I learned ASL.
Using sign language to communicate is unique and varies around the world. Just like spoken languages, English, French, or others. Each sign language has its own culture and beauty, allowing us to connect in special ways.
We're just as excited to see more people interested in learning sign languages.
It's great for everyone to connect and understand each other better. Keep spreading the word and let's learn together.
It's a reminder that communication goes beyond words and can be visually expressive and inclusive. We hope everyone gets a chance to experience and appreciate this rich form of connection.